This is Harish and I am representing Ace Micromatic Group. We are here at Intech in Coimbatore. Coimbatore as a town is very important for us because we generate substantial business in Coimbatore. We at Ace Micromatic Group are the largest manufacturers of CNC machines in India, and it is our vision to impact manufacturing and to be a billion-dollar company by 2030. In this exhibition, here we have the VTL 300 machine, which is a very heavy-duty vertical turning lathe with hardened ground guideways on the Z-axis, primarily meant to take on the Korean OEMs. And here we have a very large size VMC, which is for die mold application as well as for machining molds. And this product here, which we have here, is the CNC simulator. You can see actually it is a replica. It is a replica of a regular CNC machine and can be used phenomenally for skill development. You can do all your experiments on this machine, learn programming, do the machining, do the part without having any accident. And we believe this will go a long way in teaching CNC skills to not only the students, but also the operators in various corporates. And what you see here is the CAM version of it with a desktop. So here you start with programming on the computer, move on to the desktop version, and finally you go on to the CNC simulator, which simulates an actual machine. Here we have our newly developed machine from Taurus. It's a bar cutting machine and you can cut up to 80 diameter bar. We can guarantee 0.5 mm squareness and phenomenal tool life. And what you see here is the need of the hour. It's low cost automation. Basically, it's our regular CNC lathe with a front loading automation with which the problem of manpower availability is completely eliminated. Moving on. Ace Micromatic Group has been the pioneer in IIoT Industry 4.0, and here we are displaying some of our solutions for IIoT, including auto offset. After the CNC lathe operation, you can do an automatic offset and therefore eliminate the need for operator intervention. Not only that, we don't give only machines, we give complete solutions, tooled up machines, and also the tools, tool holders, the entire ecosystem required to run a machine. All these are provided so that we want to make the customer very comfortable. We don't want him to go to multiple agencies. So he comes to us, he gets all the solutions. Here we have displayed our rotary table, and especially for the Coimbatore market, this machine that you see here is a simple turn machine. It's with a geared headstock, and this will take away the need for conventional machines. It will replace the conventional machines. You can see the diameter of the component, and this is an extremely short bed version. All your pre-machining can be done on this machine. And we have always been in metal removal, but for the first time we have gone into additive manufacturing. We are one of the first Indian companies to start 3D metal printing, and some of these components that you see here have been manufactured on our indigenously built 3D metal printer by our company called as Amaze. And last but not the least, we have always been in metal cutting. For the first time, we are into sheet metal now. And what you see here are some of the components that have been cut on our laser cutting machine by our group company called as Sinar. So, ladies and gentlemen, we've put together a phenomenal display of several machines, some of which are specifically targeted at the Coimbatore market. And it is our hope that we will have several visitors coming in, innumerable visitors, and we look forward to generating good business from this exhibition.